global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. We did promise some time ago that 14th of November is a date to watch. Don't forget that due to the ongoing crisis going on in Rivers State, the Judicial Council decided to have a special panel to look into this crisis because it was really escalating and definitely not putting judiciary in the right frame of imagination. But right now Nigerians are beginning to react. But before we look at the reactions, the panel is seated. We're going to go through it. Of course, some feelers we're getting. Some persons believe that Rivers, APC, and PDP might end up without candidate in 2027 because of the ongoing litigations going on. But let's find out the cases before this special panel. Now, some of the cases before the appeal court special panel on the Rivers State political crisis includes CA/abj.cv/1151/2024, which includes Social Democratic Party and All Progressive Congress APC and 5 others. Now, the second one is CA/abj/C4/1152/2024, which involves All Progressive Congress APC, Cross Appellant and Independent National Electoral Commission, Cross Respondent, and 4 others. The third case before them is CA/abj/CV/1153/2024, which is the Attorney General of Rivers State and All Progressive Congress APC and 4 others. Then the fourth case before them is CA/abj/CV/1154/2024, which includes both party and All Progressive Congress APC and 5 others. The fifth one before them also involves CA/AB1/1155/2024, which involves APC, which involves All Progressive Congress APC and Independent National Electoral Commission INEC and 4 others. Now the next case before them, which is number 6 case, is CA/BJ/PRE/ROA/CV/1211/2024, which involves the government of Rivers State and Rivers State House of Assembly and 17 others. Then we have the number 7 case before the special panel is CA/ABJOV/159/2024, which involves the People Democratic Party PDP and Aaron Chukwuemeka and others. The next case, which is number 8 case before this appeal and special appeal, is CA/ABJ/CV/12221/2024, which involves the Accountant General of Rivers State and Rivers State House of Assembly and 10 others. Now the next case also is CA/ABJ/CV/1208/2024, which involves the Action People's Party APP and Independent National Electoral Commission INEC and 28 others. The next case, which is case 10, is CA/ABJ/CV/1182/2024, which involves Peter Ohonchukwu and others and All Progressive Congress APC and 5 others. The 11th case before them is CA/ABJ/CV/1196/2024, which involves Government of Rivers State and Rivers State House of Assembly and 10 others. The 12th case before this panel is CA/ABJ/CV/1142/2024, which involves Alhaji Bala Mohammed and Aaron Chukwuemeka and 10 others. To think that Bala Mohammed is also involved in this Rivers case, my colleague is in the house and they're sitting. Many Nigerians are waiting for the result, but it's good to know that you can imagine just one state have 12 cases, all of them on the same Martin Amaewhule, defection, no defection, hold them, don't hold them. What's your take? And what do you think this whole thing will come to? Do you think that justice will be served?
All right, I think that what we are seeing right now is a display of high-handedness here. Number one, if you look at all those cases, as much as we can fully describe it, all of them has to do with, at least, let me say, virtually, for some, virtually all the complainant, the defendant, or plaintiff, the defendant, all of them are in Rivers State. Very few of them are outside Rivers State. But all the cases are in federal high courts. All the cases, ABJ. This is a state-related case that should, by jurisdiction, this case should be handled in Rivers State. But unfortunately, everything is in Abuja.
Let me quickly give this update as we speak right now. Out of all of these cases, the Appeal Court Special Panel on Rivers State political crisis has reserved judgment in appeal numbers 1151, 1152, 1153, 1154 and 1155. Just go through what I just said, what we just read now. You discover some of these cases. You can just quick search so that you can continue with your analysis now. Let's continue.
Okay, so for me, this is a pointer to the fact that I think there's something is wrong somewhere. And if you want to kind of give a summary of this case, it's all a Wike scam, Fubara scam. Very few you will see anything having to do with, like Bala Mohammed coming in there. I think it has to do with the issue of, the PDP, the current PDP ESCO, which it has been challenged that ordinarily what happened there was not meant to be. It was supposed to be, talking about the Congress that took place. They had already run to court. They went to court to instruct Umar Damagum not to, stop them from acting in that capacity. That case, I think, in Federal High Court, it has been shifted. It will still LIFO that is handling it. And it's going to be holding, I think, on the 15th of next month or so. December. So
will be going on research about that.
You understand? So you now see there that the whole thing is very uninteresting. And it's a pointer to the fact that somebody is not ready to let go. And he must do anything within his power using legality, which already has been pocketed. So it's really troubling, I must.
All right, but quick one. Let me quickly give us the titles of those cases so that we understand. And some persons are already laughing that why should they reserve the judgment of these very special cases? Now, for 1151, it's actually Social Democratic Party and All Progressive Congress and others. For 1152, it's actually All Progressive Congress, APC, Cross Appellant and Independent National Electoral Commission, Cross Respondent, and 4 others. For 1153, it's actually the Attorney General of Rivers State and All Progressive Congress, APC, and 4 others. For 1154, it's actually Boti Party and All Progressive Congress, APC, and 5 others. And now for 1155, it's actually All Progressive Congress and Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, and 4 others. While the other ones, which everyone believes, is the matter, the crux of the matter, they are still working on it. Please continue.
And so we are hoping and believing that at the end of the day, the authorities concerned, that's talking about judiciary, they will come out with something reasonable. I think the issue of jurisdiction should also be handled in all of these cases. You can't be taking cases that has to do with a particular state. You're moving it as far as the federal. Come on, does it mean that all cases are meant to be tried in the federal? Just because one man is in the federal, so they are taking all cases to the federal, and then that same person will come out and say, "Why do you question the judiciary? Why should you question court judgment? Blah 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 blah. Why? If you understand judiciary very well, why should you force all cases to come there?" And I'm so shocked that even those who are handling those cases would just allow it to slide like without asking questions about the issue of jurisdiction. But let's see how it goes. I hope that this special panel will do the needful, because I believe that this special panel is shocked that just one state has so much in court. However, if they have so much in court, how would they concentrate in administration? How would they concentrate in delivering dividend of democracy to the people of Rivers State? How would they concentrate in doing other things? The legislature are fighting. I mean, who brought you in there? Was it not the people that brought you in? Is it your legitimate right? Is it your birthright for you to sit there? And then you are messing up the system. I feel that even at the end of the day, the people themselves, people of Rivers State, will have a rethink on some of these so-called politicians, have a rethink on whether to give them another opportunity or not.
I guess that's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's hope that Nigerians, like my colleague rightly said, will have a rethink. But the question is, will hunger allow the average Nigerian on the street to have a rethink when the time comes? That's going to wrap it up. Let's meet in the comment.